Select new part, choose part, click OK. Now our window open. We want to see how to use line command and dimensions. So for that we will create one part. So first we will select one plane. Choose any plane, let's say top plane. Click here sketch or here sketch. So I prefer here. Okay, now our plane is selected. Now select a line. Now we will draw one simple geometry from anywhere. So we will select from origin point. Draw a vertical line. This vertical symbol showing it is vertical line. This is actually relation. Then click here. Then down. Once you going back, then it will automatically make curve. See, it looks curve. Then again go plane, line. Then go back and it creates curve. Close. Now right click and select. Now exit from the line command. So we created this geometry with the help of line command. See here two colors, blue colors and black colors. Black color shows that this line is defined and this blue color shows it is not defined. Why this is defined? Because it is generated from origin point 0, 0. So these both the lines defined, but these all are not defined. If we will give dimension, then it is okay. So go to here, smart dimension. There are many options, so choose smart dimension. Select top. Make any dimension. If you want to just increase, decrease like this, or increase from this way, decrease it, anything, or directly put 65 or anything. Okay, now it is directly defined. Select this line. Okay, so now it is, select this radius. If you want to change radius or anything, just increase, decrease, or using this thread, it will automatically increase and decrease. See? Okay. Then select this line. Okay. Now some line is still balanced to defined, maybe due to some reason this defined. Select this line from this point. Okay, now see the whole structure is defined. See, in down it is written fully defined. That means it is fully defined. Select OK. Now your geometry is fully defined. Suppose if you delete one, now it is one geometry not defined. Delete. It is not defined. So there is one option. If you want to define this geometry, go to display delete relation, select fully defined. Select all entities, calculate. Now it is defined. Click OK. So now your geometry is defined. It will be automatically taken from the system and according to coordinate. So this is the simple.